this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a reminder in Sitecore. This is great for content authors who have pages that need to be updated routinely. Select the page or item in the content tree. In the top navigation ribbon, select Review and then Reminder. Click Set Reminder. Add the message you want the reminder to say and then click Next. Set the date and time for your reminder and the email address that you want it to be sent to. When you're finished, click Set. You'll receive the reminder to the email address you chose on the day and time you set. If you need to cancel the reminder, just click on the page or item that you've set the reminder for in the content tree. Select Review in the top navigation and click Reminder, then Clear Reminder.